There's an asteroid on the way, and we're all going to die. Yep, every last thing on Earth is going to die. Someday. In the meantime though, NASA will be taking a close-up look at a 60-foot hunk of space rock designated 2014 RC, which will be passing within 25,000 miles of Earth right about the time this video goes live. To put that in context, that's a tenth of the distance from the Earth to the Moon. But even if there was a killer asteroid, I'm sure Captain Marvel would take care of it. Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson announced that he'll be playing the villainous Black Adam, which also brought attention to the fact that apparently there's a Shazam movie in the works. Produced by New Line Cinema, a Warner Brothers subsidiary, it's not yet clear if this movie will take place in the same continuity as Batman v Superman, or if it'll count as one of the movies that Warner Brothers recently set release dates for. What does have a release date is The Binding of Isaac Rebirth. Announced in this incredibly disturbing trailer, the new game will hit PC and PlayStation on November 4th. Owners of the original game will get a discount when they pre-order on Steam. In other video game news, Nintendo put out another Nintendo Direct, this time centered around Bayonetta 2. The Wii U exclusive will come packed with both the original game and its sequel, with each game including a set of Nintendo-themed costumes. And while we already knew about the Link, Peach, and Samus costumes, Bayonetta 2 will also include a Star Fox themed costume. And that's all the relevant gamer news out there. That's it. Nothing else. Okay, let's talk about Gamergate. Over the past few weeks, there's been a war of words waged between gaming journalists and gamers. Battle lines have been drawn, trolls are running rampant, Adam Baldwin has gotten involved, and everybody is pissed off at somebody else. I won't dive too far down the rabbit hole, there's links below if you're curious, but I will say this. There needs to be a conversation about journalistic ethics in the gaming industry. As somebody who's worked as a news reporter for most of his adult life, some of the attitudes I've seen from people in the industry are downright unacceptable. That said, if you have nothing to contribute to this conversation beyond personal attacks, then just don't. It doesn't matter which side of this you're on, you're not helping anything. If the concept of being a decent human being is foreign to you, then at least recognize the fact that these attacks do nothing but distract from the matter at hand. And leaving things off with a lighter note, watch this video from Patrick Willems depicting a three-way battle between Stan Lee, Jack Kirby, and Steve Ditko, the way you always imagined it would be. Excelsior! That's everything for this week. Tell me what you think of Gamergate in the comments below. Be sure to like and subscribe, maybe share this video with your friends, and have a great week.